Why y'all still paying $20 for laundry detergent like it come with rent included? Baby, listen, I was in that laundry aisle the other day and I felt like I needed a payment plan just to wash clothes. $20 for some bubbles, my great grandma would have slapped that bottle clean out my hand. Wait, don't scroll because I'm finna show you how my great grandmother made a whole gallon of detergent, basically pocket change. First thing, this bar soap right here, we're gonna grate it up like we shredding cheese for tacos. To make laundry detergent, you can use this soap, Elise Napa or regular Castile soap. This is the base. This is what actually grabs the dirt, the oil, the sweat, all that life you don't lived in them nasty clothes. When you grate it and melt it down, it turns into a smooth liquid that coats your clothes. So basically, this part right here is doing the heavy lifting for you. Without it, you're just washing your clothes and vibe. Now, let me tell you why I specifically use this soap right here. This soap, this is my favorite, and it's not just about saving money. Me and my baby, we both got eczema, so I can't just be using anything on our clothes. No, whatever you wash your clothes in, that's just sitting on your skin all day. This soap is way more simple. It doesn't have all them extra chemicals, all that strong perfume, all that stuff that be irritating your skin. It's gentle but still clean. That's hard to find because most of these store detergents, they smell good, but they be doing too much. You ever put on a clean shirt and your skin start itching for no reason? Yeah, that ain't your imagination. That's why I like making mine at home. I know exactly what's going in it. Ain't no guessing, ain't no hidden stuff. Simple ingredients that get the job done without tearing up your skin. Now, this is where a lot of people mess up. That hot water, baby, ain't nothing to play with. That's what melts everything together. If your water ratio ain't correct, your soap gonna clump up, separate, or turn into straight jelly. And you gonna be in the kitchen mad wasting ingredients. That's why I keep telling y'all the exact ratio matters. I put the exact measurements in my clean book because I already messed up before, so you didn't have to. Now, borax, listen, this is optional, but if you got kids, a man, or anybody that's outside living hard, you gonna want this. This boosts everything, kills odor, help lift stains. This is that don't play with me ingredient. Like, this is the difference between clean and clean. Now, let's talk money. I spent $9.46 total on ingredients. That will make 9 whole batches. That's about $1.11 per gallon, and each gallon gives me 64 loads, which cost me less than 2 cents per load. 2 cents. So you mean to tell me y'all still out here paying $20 for detergent when you could wash your whole family clothes for pennies? See, this is the type of stuff they don't teach us. My great grandmother wasn't going to no store every week. She made what she needed at home. That's why her house stayed clean and her pockets stayed full. We not broke, we just been buying wrong. Then I take my washing soda, not baking soda. Now this right here, this is that must. Washing soda don't play. It breaks down grease, funk, body odor. That I wore that hoodie 3 days straight smell. It often softens your water so your soap actually works instead of fighting your tap water. This is what makes your clothes come out smelling like you got your life together. I have a video teaching you how to make washing soda from scratch. Now you're gonna go in slowly, top it off with a few more cups of hot water. Don't just dump it in, add it in slowly and stir. You're trying to control the consistency. You want it smooth, pourable, not chunky, not too watery. Overnight, it will thicken. Just give it a good mix. The next day, that would determine if your detergent gonna come out right every time. That's what gives you the 64 loads. That's what turn that little mix into something that actually gonna save you money in the long run. If you skip this part and mess up, you're not saving money. You're wasting ingredients. I don't have one batch come out so thick I had to scoop it like mashed potatoes. I say, yeah, never again. If you're serious about saving money, comment Zote so I know who's locked in. And don't mess this batch up. Go grab my cleaning book link in the bio because I put the real measurements in there, and send it to somebody who's still overpaying for bubbles because in 2026, baby, we saving money on laundry detergent.